Hello and welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So today I'm going to be looking at fungus, mainly blight, on tomato plants and how I can combat that. But before I go ahead, I just want to say that all my thoughts and prayers are with those people in Florida at the moment after Hurricane Ian. So I'm here in my greenhouse and I have 4 tomato plants, I think. And they are very overgrown, and I'm starting to get some signs of a blight or fungus appearing on the leaves. So this is actually a grapevine which shares the space with my tomato plants, and I have some peppers down there as well, so it's fairly packed in. I do try to aerate the greenhouse as much as possible. But we do get condensation on the top, and obviously it gets very hot in there. So I'll just show you here. Yeah, so here we've got some spots on the leaves and they're sort of wilting. They're not really that effective at putting energy into my plant anymore. So what I do is I cut back the leaf branches. Once I've taken the truss off the plant, I then cut back the leaf stems as well, because these don't actually give anything further to the plant at that stage. Once the tomatoes have gone from that area, the leaves need to come off as well, and this will create space and air and protect the main stem of the tomato plant as well. So I'm just going to cut everything up to where my tomatoes are still growing. So I think I'm going to stop here. The rest of the tomatoes, they don't look quite ready to come off yet, but I've certainly stopped or reduced the opportunity for disease amongst the leaves on this vine, penetrating the stem and then coming into my tomatoes. So I can just show you here how the stem should look, and that will help my tomatoes keep growing, mainly disease free. You don't want disease occurring at the bottom end of the plant when your tomatoes are still growing at the other end. So these are the tomatoes I took off the stem. They are now ripening in the sun and will be ready in a couple of days' time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the Lunch Break Gardener.